Hi friends, this is Kumar Kaskurti. You are watching Kumar Kaskurti channel. So in this video, I would like to explain you guys about how to display an image using any point studio. Okay. So for that, before going to before blindly going to build an application, first you have to write what we are doing now. Our task is display an image using, I can simply say Mulesoft. Okay, for that we have to want we have to gather some requirements for that. Requirements, what are the requirements for that? First is input. For any task, input is necessary, no? So for that we have to take input first. Our task is to display an image using Mulesoft, no? So obviously the input is also an image. Either it may be in PNG or jpeg or gif, whatever it may be, you can take it as input. So that is our requirement. So components, coming to components, we use it to build this application or listener for listening the trigger. Yeah, second one is you can use set variable for storing purpose. Next, you can use transform message for transformation, and you can use set payload for storing the payload, and we can use write file component to write that image into a file, and you can use, we are using object store for storing that image in a server. Okay, these are the components we use to build this application as we require to display an image using this Mulesoft. And we are using here three platforms. One is any point studio, and second one is any point platform for deploying, and third one is Postman as an external client. Here you can use Postman as an external client. Okay, I will develop it external client to triggering the flow. Any point platform is for deploying the application which we build in any point studio. Developing phase here. Okay, this is our entire task today. So we will simply save it as task. So okay, our task is display an image using Mulesoft. Okay, that's good. And coming to requirements, we are displaying an image, so that we want to input as an image that may be PNG or JPG or GIF, whatever it may be. We want an image. Okay. Okay. And components, for displaying an image, we want a listener for listening the trigger which we trigger from outer external client. So that's good. And coming to set variable, it is used to, as you know, it is used to store some value. It's like a variable container. Okay. And third thing, we want to use transform message. Why we are using transform message here? Because for transformation, why we want to transform something? Because we want to process an image by converting the image into base-64 format. That's why we are using transform message as a transformation purpose. Okay, and set payload for after transforming that base-64 into decimal, you have to store it in set payload and give MIME type as octet stream for displaying the image. Here write file is for storing that image which we just transform into file. So in file, maybe text file or whatever it may be. And coming to object store, it is used for storing that particular image in a server. Okay, I will cover all this in this video. For that we want this three: Anypoint Studio for developing, and Anypoint platform for deploying, and a Postman as an external client. We can use Thunder client, or we can also use Thunder client or REST client instead. Whatever that is your wish, you can use anything. I am using Postman as an external client. So without wasting the time, go to Studio and create one Mule project. Let's say I would like to create display an image regarding Sankrathi. I would like Pongal. I would like to create one project with the name Pongal. What is okay? Yeah, this get created. Before going that, we have to already have an image which is for jpeg format. Let us see. Yeah, it is loading. Yeah, happy Sankrathi. So it is good now. Okay, I am going to use this as an input. So we have to convert this image into, like, it is from jpeg group. We have to convert it from jpeg to base-64. We have to convert it. I'm going to convert it, and I will pass that code as an input. Okay, I'm selecting this and code. Okay, copy this code and go to this studio. You have to add listener first. Listening the trigger, not flow. It is the flow, no? Okay, first configure with the port. Let us check with the same port 8081. I think it will work fine. Okay, the test connection is successful, and we have to add some path. I will give as Sankrathi wishes. Okay, here listener configuration is over, and the path we set the path already. So next thing, we have to add one set variable for storing that where is set variable? Okay, for storing what? That base-64 code we actually converted it now. We encoded that base-64 value from our image now. That we have to add in set variable. We have to store in this particular set variable. I have to give this its name as container. Let's say, okay, we have stored that information in this. It is recording or not? Yeah, it is recording. Okay, no, sorry for that. Set variable. After that, we have to transform it to base decimal. So for that, we have to use transformations. For transformation, I would like to select the transformations. For that, I will first we have to import that like what package for that. Import star from dw in core binaries. This is one package. Okay, here we have to change the output as octet stream because we are displaying an image that stream. Okay, remove this. We have to use one method named from base-64. Okay, from base-64 of, why we are using base-64? We are this is one method from base-64 is a one method which we can, which is from binaries package, sorry, binaries class. Okay, why you are using this base-64? Actually we have an input in base-64 format. That format we have to convert it into decimal. For that we are using this from base-64 method for conversion purpose. So where is that code? We stored it in one variable. How can we grab that code? How can we take that code from that variable? We can simply use was dot that variable name container. Okay, that's it. Was dot container. Why it is showing error? Expected MIME type. Okay, strem octet stream, correct only, no problem. Okay, why it is showing? Let us change the MIME type as jpeg, no, or no problem. Then why it is showing output octet stream? Octet stream correct only. Why it is showing line 3? Or let us say application. Okay, that's not the problem. From base-64 was dot container. Is it container or what? Container. Okay, we spelled the mistake. Container. Let's copy this. Yeah, now it is fine. Okay, now it is fine. So it's time to run for checking purpose. I will say this. I just saved and ran the code. Just wait for a minute. Before that, you have to create the URL for that. Hitting, let us say Sankrathi wishes. Okay. It is still deploying. Is recording or not? Yeah, it's recording. Fine. Cool. Yeah, it's got deployed. So we can trigger now. No listener for endpoints. Why? Okay, I think there is a path mistake. Okay, sorry. Sankrathi wishes. Let us copy this again. I think there is a mistaken path. Let's paste here. Let's check. Yeah, it's working fine, but we didn't get any image here. Instead we get it in Java format. So we have to, our task is to convert this Java code into image format. Okay, here we got 200 response. Okay, that's okay. Now our task is to get this Java format into image format. For that we have to use set payload. For that I'm using set payload. I will give value as payload only. I will change the main type as image jpeg for that, and I will save again and it will run automatically. Okay, it is showing building 83%, so it is running. Okay, just wait for a minute and we will trigger it again. Let's see what happened. Yeah, it is running fine. Yeah, started app Pongal. Okay, now it's time to trigger the flow again. Yeah, we got the response here. Happy Sankrathi. Okay, let us check in browser as well. Copy. There is a browser. Yeah, this is the task to display an image using Mulesoft, but it's not getting over. We have to deploy it in Cloud Hub and we have to check again. So that's the task, and we have to write it in one file. Okay, we can simply write component, take write component, simply add it to this flow, and give connection. I will give up to C. So because it is a global folder, so I am giving it up to C, and okay. Let us check again connection whether it is working or not. I think it will work fine. Okay, yeah, test connection is successful. Click on OK and go to message flow, go to write and give path where we want to store that output file. I will give output. I will give open. Okay, I will give this as result 1. Okay, that's good. Let us check run again. Okay, it is still building. It will run shortly. Again we can trigger the flow when it is completed. Yeah, it is running fine. Is it recording or not? It's okay, recording. Yeah, started app Pongal. So I would like to trigger it again. So just I'm copying this, I'm removing this, I'm adding this, I'm pasting. Yeah, it's working fine, and we added one write component that is responsible for storing that image value in result1. Okay, .txt, we stored it in text format. That's working fine. Okay, now our task is I'm going to remove this one. Up to here it is for displaying purposes. Now I want to deploy this application in Cloud Hub, and if I want to trigger after deploying in Cloud Hub, also it will work. Then it is fine. Otherwise it is not correct, no? Because I use a local host up to now. I don't want to use like that, because it only works in my system only, because we are using local host. Instead of, we have to use global host. Global host means after deploying our application in Cloud Hub, we can get one URL, app URL. By using that URL, we can by clicking on that URL, we can get that image image from different system also. That's why I'm trying to deploy it in Cloud Hub, and for that I'm just deploying it again. Sorry for that. I want to now my task is to deploy this particular application in Cloud Hub. After that, we will get one app URL. By triggering this URL, you can get image. Not only in this system, I want that image in different system also. Whether I will trigger from my mobile, or I will trigger from my another desktop or laptop, whatever it may be. So that's the requirement for our task. So for that, okay, it's running. I think it's over. Let's check once again. Yeah, it's got over. So our application is ready. You have to deploy it in Cloud Hub, and we have to check whether it is working or not, or whether you have to add any extra components to display like that. Let us check. Okay, for that I am exporting this to make a jar file. Go to export and click on Mule. Anypoint Studio. Go to next. It is saying the. Okay. I would like to save it in desktop itself. Save. Yeah, it is saving. I was saying I would like to stop this. Okay, still it is process. It is moving on, and I will stop this in Studio, and I will deploy it. Okay, project exported successfully. I will stop this. Let's minimize. Okay, we got this jar file Pongal. Okay, this is our jar file. Okay, this file we have to deploy in Cloud Hub by using Anypoint platform. That's why I said Anypoint platform. Anypoint platform. Sorry. Yeah, I will give my credentials. Kenaka. Continue. Okay. Yeah, this is my Anypoint platform. Okay, in this I will go to runtime manager for deploying this application, like this jar file, and we will see what will happen, or we have to add any other components for to work. Okay, go to sandbox. Here I simply click on deploy application, give one name, Sankrathi. I will go with Cloud Environment 2.0. I will choose the jar file from desktop. Yeah, it is the jar file which we created before. So leave as it is. Deploy application is getting deployed. This grabbing that, just taking that jar file into it, so that we can get. Yeah, Sankrathi was uploaded successfully, and it is deploying. It is up to now. It is just uploaded. Now it is trying to deploy. Okay. Here we can get our logs here. We can check what is the status of our application, whether it is deployed or not. If any errors, we can see here. So before that, we have to go to settings, copy this public endpoint. This is the app URL. Copy this. Copy link address, and go to this. Paste this instead of localhost. Wait. Okay. We paste. Okay, this is our new URL. I will simply copy the entire thing, and I will remove this. I will paste this again. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, still it is not deployed. I think so. It is running now. Application status running. Let us check in applications. Yeah, it is running. So it's time to trigger the flow. when I trigger this flow, it will show like it will show the if it will show the image, then it is fine. If not, why we have to trace out what is the problem. Okay, let's check. Yeah, it is showing fine. Let's check in logs. Where it is? Where it is? Sankrathi Eka. Okay. Logs. Okay. Okay, it is fine, but I would like to what I'm going to say. I would like to trigger this URL from my mobile device. Let us check whether it will work or not. Just wait a minute. I will send this to my copy. Let us check. How can I? Okay, I will send it to with my mail. Compose. Yeah, to myself. Something. I will use this link to my mobile. Let's check in my mobile also whether it is working or not. Let's just wait. If it's work, I will show you in my mobile also. Okay, let's check. Yeah. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay. Is it visible? I think it's visible. Sankrathi wishes. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Yeah, in this way you can like you can store it in object store also instead. So I would like to add that concept in this. Let's check whether it will work or not. For that I am simply going to this applications, Sankrathi settings. I will delete it again, delete application. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to add object store. Okay, there is no object store commands. Then you have to import it from exchange. So for that we have to add account. For that I'm adding the platform account for that. One platform is still loading. It is recording or not? Yeah, it is recording. So I will give Naga Sai Dakshin your password. Sign in, your credential not valid. I okay, let us check again. Yeah, it's working. Now we have to master password, if you record a password. What do you want to provide? No, just I want object store. For that I will also cover the object store, not much. I have to add object store components here. Click on finish. It's still downloading. Yeah, we got object store. Here we use store for storing that image value and retrieve for uh, retrieving that value, image value. So for that I simply no need to do anything. We have to give one key for identification purpose and value as a payload which we want to store. Okay, I will give key as value only, that's fine, and go to retrieve, give the same thing because we are retrieving the same thing, no? I will give the a key as value and default as empty inverted commas. Because why we are using this? If it is failed to get any payload from the previous component, then it will simply give that response as empty inverted commas. That's the thing. Let us run in local. After that we can deploy it into Cloud Cup and you can check whether it is working fine or not. After adding this also we can get the image, same image. Let's check. For that, go to Postman, remove the up to this. Wait. Okay, remove to this. Can add because we are running in local host 8081. Still it is running. Still is running or triggering. Okay, it is deployed. Go to Postman, copy this and I think click on new, paste it again. Let's check. Yeah, it is working fine in local. Let's stop this and create the export this. We can do it in different way also. We did this earlier. Other way we can go to any point platform, deploy to Cloud Hub simply. But we have to give here the configure credentials for that. Anything is fine. Okay, already we logged just now, no? That's why it's getting faster. Go to sandbox. Yeah, automatically it will take the name as Pongal. Okay, that's fine. Shared spaces Cloud Hub 2.0. Here we have to change some settings. You have to use object store v2 because we use object store as a storage server. That's why we have to tick this object store as v2 and click on deploy application. So it will take some time and it will deploy it in Cloud Hub, so that after that we can get a URL from this, so we can trigger it from external client, whether it may be in local machine or it may be from outer of this machine. Let's check. Okay, it's taking some time. Why? Okay. It is downloading. Okay, it is downloading Maven from that. Okay, that's nice. Still, it is deploying. Here we can see deploy application is still loading. Yeah, can wait. It is taking time. Why? When I use it to deploy the application using jar, it's simply taking less time than this. Why? It's still progress. Okay. Let's check. Let us wait for 2 more minutes. Still it is deploying application. Okay, just wait a minute. Is it recording or not? Yeah, it is recording. It is still deploying. Why it is taking too much time for deploying? More than 5 minutes. Why it is? Yeah, it's deploying. Pongal to Cloud Hub is to open in browser. Okay. Yeah. It is still applying, but we got the public URL. Let us copy this. Copy link address. I will make this like URL path ready. Okay, let us copy the entire thing. Copy paste this, send it. I would like to send it to my Gmail for triggering from my mobile. Let's check. Opening my Gmail for that. Compose. Yeah, to myself. And something subject, click to paste here, send. Okay, it's got running logs. Okay, logs. Let's wait. Started running, but we have to wait some time. Let's go to applications. Yeah, it is running fine. Go to this application, go to logs. Yeah, it's time to trigger the flow. Yeah, I'm triggering. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, we got the image what we sent, but we have to check in my mobile also. As mobile also, I already sent to my Gmail. Let me show that also. Gmail. Let us check whether it is working in my mobile or not. If it is working fine, then it is okay. Yeah, it is working fine. Okay. Okay, before going to this, we can also learn. We have two options. We have one option as stop and another one is delete. No, I don't want it. If you want to use it again, you can simply stop and you can start again the server. Otherwise, application server. So instead, I will deleting this because I don't want to use this again. So I'm deleting. So application Pongal is being deleted. So that's the thing. I'm closing this Anypoint Studio right now, and I'm closing this. So this is our flow. In this way, you can you can display our image. Okay, You can send wishes to anyone by using this link. In this we can also use GIF image, GIF type format or PNG, as we used JPG in this particular video. Let us check whether GIF is working or not. Let us check. Okay, I'm going to download GIF Sankrathi GIF. Down. Let us check. Download. I'm going to this. Okay, this is good one, I think. Save images. Let us save it is in desktop. Okay, downloaded it. Let us check whether it is GIF or not. I'm opening this. Okay, GIF file only. Yeah, it is GIF only. Now we have to convert this GIF into like base-64 format. GIF to base-64. Okay, let us choose that file. This is the one. Okay, encode it. Okay, copy this, go to studio, in this set variable, select all, control V. I pasted it. Okay, paste it. Just run. That's it. Pongal has encountered validating Pongal. Okay, let's check what happened. First, try it in local and we can use, if it works, we can deploy it in cloud hub. That's the thing. Now it is running. It has encountered a problem with this. Expression could not retrieve DOM model. Okay, I have to change that. Okay, wait. Let's get started. Let's wait. We have to change something now. Let's change. We simply added that base-64 code and we blindly ran it again. Okay, let's check. Wait, it's still running. You have to change it to MIME type as it is deployed, but let us check whether it, because we have to change it in MIME type like GIF format. Let us check. This is not the like URL for local. Let's local host 8081. Let us copy the entire thing, paste it here, Control V. Let us check whether it is coming or not. Yeah, it is coming, right, fine, but it's a good practice to change the MIME type to GIF, not JPG, GIF. Okay, let us save, run it again, save. Yeah, yes, okay. Wait. I also, sorry, stop it again. Wait. In this also I gave JPG as an input, MIME type. So just wait a minute. Sorry for that. GIF. Okay. Run it again. Save. Okay, it's running. Okay, no problem. Okay, console. Okay. It's running now. Fine. And is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, it is still running. Let's okay. Let's copy this. Copy, paste this. For running, setting ready, getting ready. It is still running. Still deploying, not running. Okay, sorry for that. It is still deploying. Okay. Yeah, it's got deployed. So it's time to trigger the flow. Simply perform that. Yeah, we got the response, but we have to check after deploying it into Cloud Hub. That's our thing. I simply stopped it. I will go with the way which we used earlier as export as jar file. Click on Mule and click on this. Next, finish. It is saying already exists. You can simply replace it by clicking S. Otherwise, you have to change the name. Can yeah, that's the thing. It's trying to build a jar file for our application that we want to deploy it in Cloud Hub in by using any point platform as a medium. So after this, we can use this jar file. Okay, project exported successfully. Okay, that's nice. Minimize this. Okay, any point platform, go to any point platform. Yeah, again it is asking credentials. Navasai 13 at the rate, sorry, not at the rate of, okay, sorry for that, SLA ROI at the rate of 20. Oh, seeing. Let us check whether it is working or not. Yeah, go to this runtime manager and import that jar file from our local. I will simply give it as Pongal. Yeah, it's fine. Cloud up 2.0. Choose the file, upload that file. Pongal jar, open. We have to use tick mark. We have to tick this mark because we are using object store as a storage server. Okay, that's nice. And we can simply click on deploy application. It is still loading. Okay, still uploading the pongal.jar. After that, it will go to deploy deployment pool. Then it will deploy. It will take some time, up to 2 to 3 minutes. Sometimes it will also take 4 to 5 minutes. No problem, we can wait up to it's get deployed. Pongal was uploaded successfully and it is deploying. Yeah, it is showing here. Sorry, status messages. That's fine. Here we can get app URL. We can ready with that in Postman for triggering this flow. I am simply copying this copy link address and go to Postman. Copy before this because we are not using the local machine. We are using the application from the cloud, cloud hub, cloud server, cloud. Okay, I will see, remove this and I will add it into new one. Okay, just wait. Before that, as it is, I am going to give this link to my mobile. For that, whether it is working in my mobile or not, because it's good to check whether it is working in different machines or not. That's why I'm sending it to myself, something like that. Copy paste. Okay, I sent. That's good. It is still not deployed. Just ready with my mobile. Okay, go to Gmail. Yeah, it is showing Pongal. Yeah, it is running now. Let us check here also. Yeah, it is running. Go to this. I am trying to trigger this. Yeah, it is still loading. Why? Yeah, we got 200, but where is that image? Yeah, this is our output GIF file. Okay, let us check in Google as well whether it will work or not. Let us check. Okay, let us check. Yeah, it is working in Google as well, Google search as well. Let's show in my mobile also. Got this link. I will opening this link. Yeah, it is working in my mobile also. Okay, I think it will be visible. Okay. Okay, in this way we can like you can display GIF files using Mulesoft. Any point studio, still it is working or not? Okay, running, it's working, running. Okay. As they said, the PNG will also work with this. Let us use that also. Let's check. Download Sankrathi PNG images. Let us check. I want PNG images. Let us go with this. I think it's a PNG. It is not good. Let's go to PNG. Where it is? Where it is? Restore pages. Sankrathi. It is good, but let us save images. Let us check. It is JPG, not PNG. Let us go to this website. Yeah, this is PNG, no? I think I have to link, not link. Let us free. It is saying free download. Let us say yes. No, it is not. Use the cross mark for that. Download PNG. Yeah. Just downloading. Yeah, PNG. Then check in downloads for that. Go to downloads. Yeah, this is the one. Yes, it is showing PNG file. Let us check. Yeah, this is our image. I am just leaving here. I would like to convert it into base-64 PNG to base-64. I'm going to this website. Would like to take it from downloads. Where it is? Yeah, this is the one. And just copy this and go to studio. Further remove this website. Close this website and go to variables. Control A, Control V. Change I'm typing to PNG. Yeah, it's fine. Here we have to change the MIME type as PNG. Let's run the project. That's the thing. Okay, it is still running. it is still running. We have to make the URL first and right localhost 8081. Let's copy this entire thing. Close this. Still it is replying. So wait for 2 more minutes, then you can okay, it's got deployed. It's time to run this, trigger this. So this is our output, Happy Makar Sankrathi. So it's working fine. It's time to deploy it into Cloud Hub. Simply clicking on export, Mule, Happy Studio, finish, okay, replace. Okay, still packing, pin to a jar file. Is it recording or not? Yeah, it is still recording. Yeah, that's fine, that's good. Yeah, it's get deploy, sorry, get build a jar file Pongal. It's time to deploy it in where? I have to delete the existing one because I don't want this. I would like to deploy the jar file which we created now. I will give Pongal again. I will choose the file, upload file, go to desktop, I think Pongal. Yeah, I have to use, we are using object store now, that's why I have to take this quick store v2 and click on display application. It is uploading the pongal.jar file to the Cloud Hub. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes for deploying it into Cloud Hub. And you can get one app URL so that we can, by using that, we can trigger this cloud application using Postman or any external client, whatever it may be. Okay, settings, go to settings. Yeah, copy this global copy link address. Okay, go to this, remove, paste this instead of this. Sorry, instead of localhost and board number, paste this app URL. Yeah, that's nice. Copy. Okay, set it into new request V. Let's wait for status message as deployed or running. Still it is applying, not running. Okay. The name is Pongal and target space is shared space, and we are using Cloud Hub 2.0 instead of Cloud Hub 1, and the strategy is not running because we have to wait up to it is get running. The runtime it is used, Mule runtime it is using is 4.5.3. okay, this is the date modifier which is mentioning here, and the status is running, so it's time to trigger that application. Now we'll give the Happy Sankrathi, yeah, Happy Makar Sankrathi. We got the response. This is of a PNG format. Okay, in this way we can display an image whether it is PNG or GIF or JPG. I'm explaining what I did here. I'm using this listener for listening the request from the external client, whatever it may be, or Thunder client, whatever it may be. So this is the path for triggering to trigger this particular flow. This is important for that. Okay. For that I used the path and in the set variable I used it because I use it to store that base-64 value of that particular image that we converted from image to base-64 code. That's why I use it to store this code in this set variable as a container and transform message. Why use it? This is the key step in this particular process. this we used it from base-64 because we are converting that base-64 code to decimal code by using this method from base-64 of we gave this value that code which we stored in the variable by using vars dot container, because container is the variable name. So for working, this will work only if we imported that particular package which the mechanism which the code for this particular base-64 method is there. For that I use it to import that binaries from package. So output I want to display now, that's why I use it to octet stream. And set payload, coming to set payload, I used it to change here the MIME type as like whatever it may be. If you want a PNG, you have to give PNG, otherwise you have to give jpeg or whatever it may be as per your requirements. Up to here is okay, but why I use it store and remove? These two are from object store. Why I am using these? Because if you want to store if you want to store it in when you are working with the data, if the data is in local system, it will not take from local system when you use it to deploy that application in cloud hub. That's why I use it. I use it store and retrieve as a storage server. We can also use AWS server or Azure like that. But in this application there is no need of this. But I am trying to introduce the one concept like this. There is one object store where in that we can store the you can store the anything and any data, and you can retrieve anything. That's why I use it to use this object store here. Without using also you can display the image using cloud hub, but I'm simply explaining you guys about the purpose, what is the use of this object store also. So in this way we can so coming to this, okay, our task is display an image using Mulesoft. We use it to display PNG, JPG and GIF, both the three formats. Both three are as inputs, and the components we use listener, set variable, transform message, set payload, write file and object store. And we use it the three things for that: Anypoint Studio for developing, Anypoint Platform for deploying, and Postman as an external client for triggering the flow. Okay, that's the thing for today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.